In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cache everything in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable setup that serves more of your site directly from Cloudflare's edge, reducing load on your server and speeding up page delivery for your visitors. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign in. From the main dashboard, look for the list of websites connected to your account and select the domain you want to optimize. This ensures the changes you're about to make apply to the correct site. On the left-hand panel, find and click Caching. This section controls how Cloudflare stores and serves your content. Within caching, choose Cache Rules. Cache rules let you define exactly what gets cached and how it's handled, which is what we need for a cache everything setup. Next, click Create Rule. You'll see a form where you add the details of the rule. Give the rule a clear name so you can recognize it later, something like cache everything. Then set the matching condition so the rule applies broadly across your site. A simple approach is to match all URLs, which effectively tells Cloudflare to consider every request for caching. Now set the action to cache the content. Choose the option that sets the cache level to cache everything. This overrides Cloudflare's default behavior and allows HTML pages, not just static assets like images and style sheets, to be cached at the edge. If you see options for time to live or TTL, you can choose a duration that makes sense for your site. Shorter times refresh content more frequently, while longer times increase performance by keeping content cached longer. If you update your site often, a modest TTL can be a safe balance. Keep in mind that caching everything can serve the same page to all users. So be cautious with areas that contain personalized or logged in content. Once your details look right, click Deploy to activate the rule. Cloudflare will begin honoring it immediately, though it may take a short while for new content to populate across the network. If anything on your site appears unexpectedly stale, you can return to this rule, adjust the conditions, or temporarily pause it while you fine-tune. That's it. You've enabled Cache Everything in Cloudflare using a cache rule. This simple change can dramatically improve load times and resilience, especially during traffic spikes. Thanks for watching and enjoy the performance boost.